Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome back to another exciting episode of GB's Great Unboxing Adventures. Before we unbox, let's have some beer. Cheers, big ears. Oh, that's nice. That's Walt Boy approved. So we have a gray, blue, and multicolored box. It's about 5 inches by 3 inches by 3 inches. Weighs, probably about 250 grams. It shakes. I think we had one that shook before. This is a different one. This one is called Centrum Vitamins for Men 50 plus. And it has a bunch of different colors and tells you what all it's good for. Let's open it up. Maybe it's like, I don't know, Oxys. That'd be fucking good, eh? Or Hydromorphs. No? No paper. Lousy box. Has a bottle with the same kind of label on it. Isn't that fucking amazing? Did you expect something different? I sure did. I was hoping for Oxy. Sealed for my protection. So I'm not going to unseal it because I don't need it yet. I just wanted to open the box. For all the fucktards out there that want to see unboxing videos, here you go. Get your fill, bitches. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Until the next great fucking unboxing. Cheers, big ears.